Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Click to Data Insight YouTube channel. Every advertiser wants to show their ads every single time whenever relevant searches happen. But that will not be the case every time. Their ads will show for a smaller percentage of that total number of potential impressions. Competitive metrics in the Google Ads interface can give you insight into the impression potential that your search campaigns have. So today I'm going to talk about two important competitive metrics and what these metrics mean to the success of your accounts. So let's get started. Let's understand search lost impression share rank metric first. What it means, the percentage of time that your ads were not shown on the search network due to poor ad rank in the auction. It means that your keywords are entering the auction with an ad rank that is not high enough to win you an impression during this much percentage of time. Now, how to increase the impression share when it is being lost due to low ad rank? There are two ways to improve the ad rank and get higher impression share. Number 1. You can get the higher impression share by increasing the max CPC bids. Raising the bid is a quick and easy way to improve the ad rank and get higher impression share, but you should do it very carefully to ensure that your campaigns will still yield a profitable return on ad spend. If your keywords already have a good quality score but you are getting less impressions, that's a good indication that you should raise your bid to improve their performance. You can also increase the impression share by improving the quality score. Giving boost to the keywords quality score can be little more complicated, but it is more cost effective way to achieve higher ad rank and thereby increase impression share without having to spend more money. Now the question is how to improve the quality score. In order to improve the quality score, first step is to start with an examining by your campaign structure and see where you can split your ad groups into smaller, more tightly themed group of keywords. Focusing on more specific keywords will allow you to write better targeted ads and drive the traffic to keyword focused landing pages, which will improve your quality score. Let's understand with an example. Let's say you sell a different type of chairs, say rolling chairs, ergonomic chairs, desk chairs, etc. And you have created a group with all keywords targeting all type of chairs and create a generic ad copy and sending all traffic to your home page. This may result in low quality score. Instead, you should split your ad groups based on chair types, say rolling chair ad group with specific keywords, and write targeted ads for rolling chair only and direct the traffic to rolling chair landing page only. User find this more relevant because what user is searching and where user is landing after clicking on your ad are matching. So user find it more relevant and result in improving your quality score. So whenever you see that your search lost impression share rank metric percentage is high, you should try to fix any of these two factors. Now let's move on to the next metric. Let's understand search lost impression share budget metric. What it means. The percentage of time that your ads were not shown on the search network due to insufficient budget. It means that your keywords are eligible for additional impressions, but because of your allocated campaign budget is running out, you are not getting those impressions currently. This metric data are available at the campaign level only. This metric data are not available at the ad group and keyword level. Now when to use it? When you have checked that your campaigns all other parameters are optimized and your campaign is generating conversions at profitable cost, then you should check it with search lost impression share budget metric, which will show you how much impression share you are losing due to limitation of the budget only, and that is a clear opportunity to bring in more conversions at the same CPA by increasing the budget. Now let's head over to Google Ads search campaign and understand levels of impression share and where it's located within the Google Ads. When looking at the impression share, search lost impression share rank metric is available at the campaign level, ad group level and keyword level, whereas search lost impression budget metric is only available at the campaign level. At each level, the metrics can be pulled up by navigating the columns, modifying the columns, and going to competitive matrix and select the relevant matrix and click apply, and this matrix data are available for the further analysis. Now when you see that a campaign whose search lost impress share budget metric percentage is high, and you have decided to push for more spend. Now the question is how much daily budget that you should increase. To get an idea about how much daily budget you should increase, click on the icon next to the limited budget in the status column. A pop-up window will open which will show you data of clicks and impressions on different increased budget. You can select any of the this recommended budget or enter your own budget and click apply, and that budget will be applicable for that particular campaign. Now when you see a keyword whose search lost impress share rank percentage is high and its quality score is good, so you have decided to increase its max CPC bid. Now again the question is how much bid that you should increase. To get an idea about how much bid you should increase, you can click on the icon bid simulator icon in max CPC column, and a pop-up window will open which will show you the data of impressions and clicks on different max CPC bids based on your past performance. You can select any of this recommended max CPC bid or enter your own max CPC bid and click save, and that particular bid will be applicable to that particular keyword. So in conclusion, if you find search lost impression share rank metric percentage is high, you can increase impression share by either increasing max CPC bid or improving the quality score. And if you find search lost impression share budget metric percentage is high, check your campaigns all other parameters are optimized and generating conversions and profitable CPA, then you can increase the impression share by increasing the budget. So this is how you can analyze this matrix data and accordingly change the bid or budget to get the maximum impression share. A quick tip for you: when you are focusing on increasing your impression share, you should also keep close eye on other matrix data like click-through rate, cost per acquisition, return on ad spend, and conversions data. If you will be able to use this competitive metrics effectively, then it's a great way to find out where the opportunities lie. So that's it guys from me. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.